Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an FE review mathematics problem. In this case we're going to be evaluating a limit. So in this case we're given this limit and we're asked to evaluate the expression as x approaches 0. And then we're given a few choices. Either the limit doesn't exist, it's 1/4, 0, or negative 1/4. So as you can probably see, if you try to just plug in 0, it's gonna not give you an answer because you'll have the domain issue right there, because you can't have 0 in the denominator. So therefore we know that we can't do that. Like, that's the first thing that we know. So what we need to do is we need to simplify this expression and see if we can then plug in 0 once the expression is simplified. Okay, so I went ahead and rewrote the expression right here. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that these two fractions right here have the same common denominator. So I'll show you what I mean. So first thing is we just write our limit expression once again. And then we're going to do this. So what we need to do is we'll multiply this fraction here by 2, and then you multiply this fraction here, which is 1/2, by 2 plus x, which is this denominator on this side. So then we're going to end up with 2 plus x up here, and then 2 times 2 plus x, and now both of those fractions have the same common denominator. And then don't forget that all of this is still over x. Okay, so now we'll go on to our next step, which is going to be just to do the subtraction of these two fractions now that they have the same common denominator. So I wrote my limit expression once again, and then we're just going to do 2 minus 2 plus x because they have the same denominator. So once you do that, you're going to end up with negative x over 2 times 2 plus x, and then remember all that is still over x. Our next step is just going to be to cancel out the two x terms here, and that's going to simplify our fraction. So limit as x approaches 0, it's going to end up being simplified down to negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus x. And then now that we have it simplified this far, as you can see, we can now plug in 0 and we don't have a domain issue anymore. So if we do that, we're going to end up with negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus 0. And then once you go ahead and evaluate that, you're going to get that the answer is negative 1/4. So if you took a look at the multiple choice, you're going to see that the answer is D. So that is an example of how to simplify down a limit and then be able to plug in when the original limit doesn't allow you to do so. And if you would like to see more videos covering FE exam review, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And also leave a comment on what you would like us to cover next, or any feedback you have for this channel. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.